communication, empathy, coding skills, language, and also creativity, logic, mathematics. And here you are, Manimantham from Newcomb Programming are two most important approaches in the software development industries. Coding is nothing but creating code from one language to another language. Coding is also known as the subset of programming as it contains the initial steps of programming. The skills you can learn from coding like coding, communication, empathy, coding skills, language, mental ability, logical ability, problem solving, and many other things. Communication is the basic thing for a coder to communicate with the computer, and empathy is the strong bonding between the coder and the computer. You might have a doubt that should we learn coding? So, coding improves your mental ability and also logical ability. We can encounter many problems in our daily life. If you encounter them, that's the best thing you can do to change this world. Coding helps you understanding this world more easier. The top important languages to learn coding in 2020 are like Python, Java, JavaScript, Swift, SQL, Visual Breaking, and many other languages. Python is one of the most commonly used languages these days. It's useful for beginners and it's easy because of its readability. That at what age should we start coding? Then my answer is 7 years. Kids as young as 7 years of age can start coding and learn programming basics. In fact, coding for kids has gained popularity rapidly in recent years as technology becomes increasingly part of everyday life. Kids who learn to code when they are young can set themselves for a lifetime opportunity for success. The coding and also all the latest languages, then keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Nirupam Futureminds.